Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan loom sopo ni Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Menteri jong katnat ka koi kakya kani kejela uba Alexander Elheng ulai tu bakat kom ka RT-CPR test yau menteri rang ba kani kejela ukondrat kongkal sama lalap ba ka kaipot kalong negatif bat menteri rang ba kejela yang mentahi udan hapdeng ka jingkot jingkya bat syam la syakta satya uba Elheng ha kejikran bat kinong pathai kubor ha ka arpulai trek mentau Brazil leo arhajar arpau ulai tu ba ya ka RT-CPR test yau menteri rang ba kani kejela Lale hadian baula lecca ke jela Manipur dangshen nagabenta ki kam ki bedai bat ka parti jong ka National People's Party.
It is negative of the Honorable Chief Minister, so the Health Department has given him the certificate that he can go and join the work. So since he has not joined the work, he has gone to Manipur, maybe for his personal work or whatever work. So that is his personal. So I have nothing to say on his tour to Manipur. See, anybody, that is not only Chief Minister or any, this is the general protocol, the SOP to anybody. Suppose anybody is going outside the state from the same day and coming back on the same day, it has to be stay at home or go for giving the swab for testing. After he found negative, then only he will allowed to go to work. Until unless the report is not out, he will not be able to go outside. It has to be quarantined at home.